Hi children, welcome to our channel Roots related to basic maths and science. Today we learn about the comparison of unlike fractions. In previous videos we learn about the kinds of fractions, equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions and comparison of the like fractions. In this video we learn about the comparison of unlike fraction. What is unlike fractions? Fractions which have the denominator is different. They are called unlike fractions. Denominator is different. If the denominator is same, then we compare the numerators only. Here in this unlike fractions, the denominator is different. For suppose 5 by 7, 3 by 5. 5 by 7, 3 by 5. These two are the unlike fractions. Why? Because here denominator is 7, here denominator is 5. So unlike fractions. By comparison of these unlike fractions, we have to change the given fractions into liked fractions. Given fractions into liked fractions. Okay. First of all, the given fractions are 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. The simplest way is multiply these two. 7 into 5. Okay. And this denominator to this numerator. 5 into 5, comma. This denominator to numerator. 7 into 3. 5 5 is 25, 7 3 is 21 by 35. So it can be written as 25 by 35 into 21 by 35. These two are like fractions. Why? Because the denominator is same, 35, 35. So we have to compare the numerators. 25 is always greater than the 21. So 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. 25 by 35 is got from 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. This is the simplest method to compare the unlike fractions. The steps are change into like fractions. For changing of like fractions, first we multiply the denominators. 7 into 5. Second step, the second fraction's denominator to first fraction's numerator. 5 into 5. Next one, the first denominator into second numerator. 7 into 3. So 5 5 is 25, 7 3 is 21 by 7 into 5 35. That is 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. These two are the like fractions. That's why 25 is greater than. So 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. So 25 by 35 is get from 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. This is the process. This is the process to convert the unlike fractions into unlike comparison of the unlike fraction. For suppose we take 3 by 7, comma 4 by 9. 3 by 7, 4 by 9. First step is multiply these two denominators. 7 into 9. Next one is second denominator to first numerator. 3 into 9. First denominator to second numerator. 7 into 4. 3 9s are 27. 7 4s are 28. By 7 9s are 63. So 27 by 63, 28 by 63. These two are like fractions. Like fractions. So compare the numerators. 27 is always less than the 28. So 27 by 63 lesser than 28 by 6. That is 3 by 7 is less than 4 by 9. It can be written as 3 by 7 is less than 4 by 9. 3 by 7 is less than 4 by 9. This is the process to compare the unlike fractions. First, multiply the denominator. Second one, cross method. 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 3, 21. 25, 21, 25 by 35 greater than 21 by 35. Comparison of equal like fractions, 25 is greater. Here in this process 28 is greater. So 3 by 7 is less than 4 by 9. This is the process to compare the unlike fractions. In this process, first we convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Then we compare the numerators. Then we identify that which is greater and the which is small. In this process, how can we arrange the unlike fractions in ascending order or descending order? Okay, for example, we take 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Arrange these unlike fractions into ascending order or descending order. First of all, we find LCM. LCM of 8, 6, 2 equal to this method. 8 division method, 6, 2. 2 table. 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s. 2 table. 2 2s are, 3 1. 2 1s are, 3 1. 3 1s are, 1 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24. The LCM is 20. First fraction, what is the first fraction? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Convert this denominator as 24. That is, we are changing the given unlike fractions into like fractions. So, equalize the denominators. In 8 table, 24. 8 3s are 24. That is 5 into 3. Equivalent fractions. 15, 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. Next one, 5 by 6. That is 5 into 6. Here we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are making for changing of unlike into like fractions. Okay, in 6 table, LCM 24, 6 4s are. That is 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 20. What about the next one? 1 by 2. In 2 table, 12, that is 12 times. 12 ones are 12 by 12 twos are 24. Here denominator 24, 24, 24. These are like fractions. Okay, compare with the numerators. Which one is smaller? 12 by 24 is less than 15 by 24 is less than 20 by 20. 12 by 24 get from 1 by 2 is less than 15 by 24 get from 5 by 8 is less than 5 by 6. 1 by 2 less than 5 by 8 2 less than 5. This is ascending order. Descending order means reverse. 5 by 6 is greater than 5 by 8 is greater than 1 by 2. In this process, first of all we find the LCM of the denominators and change the unlike fractions into like fractions by making equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means if a fraction is multiplied, in a fraction both numerator and denominator is multiplied the same number, we get equivalent fraction. So 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. 1 12s are 12 by 2 12s are 24. These are the like fractions. In these like fractions, 12 by 24 is lesser. Next one is 15 by 24. Final one is 20 by 24. Arranging in the ascending order, increasing in order. So 12 by 24 is got from 1 by 2. 15 by 24 from 5 by 8. 20 by 24 from 5 by 6. 1 by 2 lesser than 5 by 8 lesser than 5 by 6. This is the process to arrange the unlike fractions in ascending order. By this, in any one, by the comparing or arranging the unlike fractions, first of all, we convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Then only we compare it. In the process of changing the like fractions, here we take the LCM and change the denominators same like fractions. This is the process of arranging in ascending order of unlike fractions. Next video we learn about the lowest terms of a fraction and additions of a fractions. Thank you.